Good morning everyone, myself Khushi of 7th standard from Euro International School Kanina. Today we will discuss about predefined functions. Functions are built-in functions that are provided by the programming language. So programmers can use them directly. For example, print function, type function, input function and len function. Now we will see this practically. Let's begin with Python IDLE. Firstly, we have to take the value of r from the input function from user. Then we have to apply the integer function to make the value integer type. Then we have to put the value of pi to solve this. After doing all this, we have to print this by typing pi multiplied by r multiplied by r. And then we have to run it. Then we get our answer. Then we have to enter the radius 10 and then the area of circle is 314.0. Now like this we can also calculate the circumference of the circle. Then we have to print it by writing 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by r. After that we will run it and then we get our answer. After that we have to enter the radius and then the area of circle is 314.0 and the circumference of the circle is 62.8. Now we write a program to calculate the length of given string. First of all, we make a variable string with value euro. Now we take another variable to store the length of string using length variable. Now we will print the value of length variable using print function. Now we will run this. And the length of the string is 4. Thank you. Have a nice day.